Backup and transfer. If you want to transfer the favorite sentences in history to words, you can go to Settings, Backup. Choose Yes to export the sentences to and insert the micro SD card. Then, you can use those records on the computer. At the same time, you can transfer the translated sentences from the computer to the micro SD card. Then, import into Langie. You can go to Settings, Transfer. Choose Yes to import the sentences to Langie. You can now revise the sentences in the favorite and history.
I am not available tonight. Can I meet you tomorrow?